1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So same formula I'll use 1 by 25. 25 I write it as 5 square. If you open the brackets, a plus a becomes 2a plus x minus x cancels. Indefinite integral we should add plus c, and logarithm value should be positive, so we'll take modulus. There are two methods. One is partial fraction method. So I'll teach you partial fraction method so that we can factorize, and a square minus x square can be written as x square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a. A square minus x square was the first problem. I wrote it as a plus x into a minus x. Second problem, x square minus a square. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, I'll be teaching you some of the important specific integrals. Specific integrals. Some specific integrals in your chapter. Integration of dx by a square minus x square. 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Always indefinite integral we should add plus c, and logarithm value should be positive, so we'll take modulus. Then integration of dx by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Then we have integration of dx by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So these are the specific integrals, and we have three more. Integration of all three, whatever we have seen here, without root. For same three, if you put root, integration of dx divided by root of a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a plus c. Integration of dx divided by root of a square plus x square, log of x plus root of a square plus x square. And integration of log of root of a square plus x square. Integration of dx by root of x square minus a square, log of mod of x plus root of a square minus x square plus c. So these 6 definite integrals, the first 3 and the next 3. Please take a notebook, make a note of it and become thorough. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬರೆದು ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಿಸ್ 6 specific integrals. In today's session, I'll be deriving all 6 definite integrals. So, specific indefinite integrals, specific integrals. Now, let us derive all, and that will be today's class. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ 6 ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೆಫರ್ PUC ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 5 marks. ಒಂದು 5 mark question, find the integral of any one of these 6, and we have 3 more. After parts I'll be teaching that also. So these are all standard. Derivation is important for 5 mark section. Derivation and a problem linked with the same derivation will be given. For example, they'll ask questions like this. Find the integral of 1 by a square minus x square with respect to x, and hence evaluate 1 by integration of 1 by 25 minus x square with respect to what? X. Evaluate this with respect to what? X dx. So these are standard questions. So now this is an associated question. With respect to x and n ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, that is an associated question. So, but first you should derive this. In order to derive this, we'll do it by partial fraction method. We'll derive it by what? Partial fraction method. And there are 2 methods. One is partial fraction method. So I'll teach you partial fraction method so that we can factorize and get the answer. Integral of. So I'll take the given problem as I is equal to integral of 1 divided by a square minus x square with respect to x means dx. They want you to find the value of this. Before we go to this, let us take 1 by a square minus x square. All of you know 1 by a square minus x square. Can I write it as 1 by a plus x into a minus x with respect to x? Sorry, let us not integrate. Let us split this. Here it is a square minus x square. I am writing it as a plus b into a minus b. Further, I can write this as a divided by first factor. What is the first factor? A plus x plus b divided by second factor. What is the second factor? A minus x. or this is partial fraction method. This is one method where you'll take x is equal to minus a, put x is equal to minus a, you'll get one of the value, and like that you can continue. We call this as partial fraction method. Again, we'll be learning partial fraction method. This is one approach. And the other approach is we can divide and multiply by 2a. And the 2a, I can write it as a plus x minus a minus x. Is one method. By what method? This is called as partial fraction method. And the other method is dividing and multiplying. Dividing and multiplying makes your process little faster. Now, this method allu madabodu. This again I will be explaining the method what I told by partial fractions in next session. That is one method. The other one is introduce 2a. So now they wanted to find what? Integral of 1 by a square minus x square. So I'll take I is equal to integral means this is symbol 1 by a square minus x square with respect to x dx. This is the question. Can I write this as, I'll divide and multiply by 2a. 2a divided by 2a. A square minus x square. Can I do this? This is the given question. Integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx. Integral means this is a symbol. With respect to means into dx. I have written the given problem. Next step, I am dividing and multiplying by 2a. 2a, if it cancels, it will be 1. So divide and multiply by what? 2a. Numerator 2a, I'll write in terms of factors. So denominator, all of you know, a square minus x square can be written as, can I write a square minus x square as a plus x into a minus x? Factors. All of you know, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, a square minus x square, can I write it as a plus x into a minus x? And numerator, we have 2a. 2a, can I write it as a plus x minus a minus x? If you open the brackets, a plus x minus a minus x plus a minus a, sorry, a plus x plus a minus x. If you open the brackets, a plus a becomes 2a plus x minus x cancels. 2a I wrote like this. Now just let me summarize what I have done. First step, I have introduced 2a, divide and multiply by 2a. That 2a I can write it as a plus x plus a minus x. So you know, plus x cancels, minus x cancels, it will be 2a. So instead of 2a, you can write it as a plus x minus plus a minus x. Denominator, you have a square minus x square. A square minus x square, can I write it as a plus x into a minus x? This is a square minus b square. All of you know, a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. Then further, split this. If you split this, so we have 1 by 2a. Integral of, if you split it, it will become a plus x divided by a plus x into a minus x. In between we have plus a minus x divided by a plus x into a minus x. Whole thing with respect to what? X. I am splitting this. Now you can cancel the terms. Here a plus x cancels. Here a minus x cancels. So further we have 1 by 2a integral of 1 divided by a minus x plus 1 divided by a plus x with respect to what? Dx. With respect to dx. And this 1 by 2a is constant which is present outside. Integration of 1 by a minus x. All of you know, integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Similarly, integration of 1 by a minus x is log of a minus x. And quotient of x. What is quotient of x? Minus 1. That comes out. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. Plus integration of 1 by a plus x is log of a plus x, and quotient of x is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. Outside plus. Now if you observe, first you write positive term, then you write negative term. So I'll rearrange. Let us rearrange this. If you rearrange this, positive first bariri, negative amil bariri. So it will become 1 by 2a log of a plus x minus a minus x outside plus c. All of you know, log a by log b. What is log a by log b? Log a minus log b. What is log a minus log b? Log a by b. Now this is log a minus log b form. So I can write it as log of a by b. A means a plus x, b means a minus x. So modulus plus c, that's it. So this is the final answer. This is a formula. So integration of dx by, or integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Remembering this is easy. So answer is 1 by 2 times the constant. Log of factors for this. What are the factors of a square minus x square? A plus x and a minus x. Numerator a plus x, denominator a minus x. That's it. ನೋಡಿ ಲಾಗ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ as a plus x into a minus x. So a plus x is in numerator, a minus x is in denominator. That's it. I hope all of you understood this. Let me just summarize this. First, they want you to find integral. Write the symbol. This is the integral. 1 by a square minus x square dx. Here you have a square minus x square. So before going to the factorization, so here I'll introduce constant. What is the constant? 2a. So this is a key step. Divide and multiply by 2a. Divide and multiply by 2a. Outside 2a will be as it is. Here we have 2a. Writing 2a. Can I write 2a as a plus x plus a minus x? If you simplify it, it will become 2a. Then denominator is a square minus x square. You know a square minus x square can be written as a plus x into a minus x. So we are factorizing this. So this we wrote like this, factorizing. Then further split this. So a plus x divided by a plus x into a minus x. In between we have plus sign. A minus x divided by a plus x into a minus x. A minus x, a minus x, a plus x cancels. So we'll be left out with this. Now very important is integral. So here one simple formula we are using. What is the formula we are using? Integration. So now we use this formula. Remember this. All of you know integration of 1 by x dx. Integration of 1 by x is what? Log x. Similarly, integration of 1 by ax plus b. If you have quotient of x, what is quotient of x? A. 1 by a log of ax plus b. This is the formula I am using. So I have 1 by a minus x. Log of a minus x. Quotient of x is minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. And this is log of a plus x. Quotient of this is 1. So now we are done with the first derivation. So now just I'll erase this. Now what is the formula we got? We got integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx formula. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log of factors. What are the factors? A plus x divided by a minus x. And always logarithm should be containing positive values. So that's why I'll take modulus. So this is the formula which we derived. So we have to use this formula. We have to use this formula and evaluate this. I want you to evaluate this. So evaluate what? Integration of 1 by 25 minus x square with respect to x. So now we need to concentrate on the problem. So now let us go to the remaining part of the problem. They want you to find integral of dx divided by 25 minus x square. So now I'll rewrite in this format. Can I write this as integral of 1 by 25? Can I write 5 square minus x square dx? Now this resembles the formula. What is the formula? 1 by a square minus x square. ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಇತ್ತು, 25ನ ನೀವು 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So this will become 1 by 2a. What is a? 5. 1 by 2 times 5 log of a plus x by a minus x. A means 5. 5 plus x by 5 minus x modulus plus c. This is the answer. All of you know 1 by 2 5s are 10. So finally 1 by 10 log of 5 plus x divided by 5 minus x plus c. That's all. My dear students, I am expecting you people to become thorough. So with the formula, what is the formula I should be thorough with? Dx divided by a square minus x square. What is dx divided by a square minus x square? Answer is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So same formula I'll use. 1 by 25. 25 you write it as 5 square. 1 by 2a means 1 by 2 times 5 log of a plus x. 5 plus x by 5 minus x plus c. Hence the proof. Now same technique we'll use to derive second one. So first become thorough with the first specific integral. What is the first specific integral of your syllabus? One integration of dx by a square minus x square, or 1 by a square minus x square with respect to x. Answer is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. How to remember? 1 by 2a log of factors. What are the factors? A plus x, a minus x. Positive factor, numerator. Negative factor, denominator. That's it. Now we'll go to the next part. Find the integral of x square minus a square with respect to x and hence evaluate. Same method. So I'll take integral of, let us take integral of 1 by x square minus a square with respect to x they want. So you know x square minus a square can be written as 1 by, I can write it as x plus a into x minus a. With respect to x means into dx. Further, same like last problem, divide and multiply by 2a. Divide and multiply by 2a. 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a. Denominator, already I wrote x plus a into x minus a. Denominator is x plus a into x minus a. So write this 2a in terms of the factors. Numeratorly 2a na introduce ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Divide and multiply by 2a. That is the key step. Instead of 1, 2a by 2a. And a square minus x square can be written as x square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a. Now 2a I have to write in the terms of factors. So numerator 1 by 2a outside, let it be integration of this numerator 2a, can I write it as x plus a, the first factor, and I want to cancel x, so minus x minus a divided by, we have x plus a into x minus a with respect to what? Dx. Further 1 by 2a, split this, can I split it as x plus a divided by x plus a into x minus a. In between we have minus, put minus x minus a divided by x plus a into x minus a. Logic is simple. In last problem and this problem, we are dividing and multiplying 2a, that's what. And this 2a write in terms of factors, these factors. So for write first factor, next factor. Check whether if you add or subtract, you will get 2a. If I subtract, x cancels, I'll get a, minus of minus becomes plus, a plus a 2a. So to get 2a in terms of factors, write both the factors. Here put minus sign, it will be same. Now split this. Now you can cancel the like terms. So now x plus a and x plus a cancels. Here x minus a and x minus a cancels. Whatever is left out will integrate. What is left out? 1 by 2a integral of 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a dx. Now integrate each term. So what is integration? So outside we have 1 by 2a. Integration of 1 by x minus a is log of x minus a. Log of x minus a. Quotient of x is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. And then in between I have minus, so I'll put minus. Integration of 1 by x plus a is log of x plus a. Integration is log of x plus a plus c. Now you know log a minus log b. What is log a minus log b? Log a minus log b is log of a by b. That is log x minus a in numerator divided by x plus a in denominator and plus c. That's it. See here, answer is again same, 1 by 2a, log of factors. What are the factors? X plus a, x minus a, but first minus comes, then plus comes. 1 by 2a, log of x minus a by x plus a. Easy. See here, what are the steps you have to concentrate? The very first step is factorizing. So you know x square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a. Second thing, divide and multiply by 2a. Third thing, write 2a as what? X plus a minus x minus a. Then split it. Then we have this. Integration of 1 by x minus a is log of x minus a. Integration of 1 by x plus a is log of x plus a. And log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log of a by b. A means first factor, by b means second factor. That's it. So now they're asking you, hence evaluate this question. So I hope all of you understood this. Write and practice. This is easy. If you are thorough with the first integral, second one is simple and direct. So now we'll go to the problem. What is the problem they give? Integral of 1 divided by x square minus 25 dx. This is a question. I want you to evaluate this. Hence evaluate means use the formula. So you know right now you learned the formula. What is the formula? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is what? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Always you no need to derive. So once we have derived, so remember this formula. So always you no need to derive, you have to apply the formula. What is the formula? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx or dx by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. So now this can I write this problem as 1 by x square minus 25 can be written as 5 square dx. Now it is in the form of 1 by x square minus a square. Answer is 1 by 2a. A means 5. 1 by 2 times 5. Log of x minus a. Log of x minus a means 5. Divided by x plus a. X plus 5 plus c. Further simplify this. If you simplify 1 by 2 5s are 10. Log of x minus 5 divided by x plus 5 modulus plus. This is the proof. I hope all of you understood. We have done two specific integrals. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square and the other one 1 by x square minus a square. For both, quotient is 1 by 2a. For both we'll have log. For both we'll have factors. For first one a plus x by a minus x. Second one x minus a by x plus a. Memorize the formula. Learn, write and practice the formula. No need to derive the formula to solve the problems. To solve the problems apply the formula. Problem solve ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ derive ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you should do derivation first, then you should do the problem. So further when they ask problem directly you can use the formula. So learn the formula thoroughly. Now we'll go to the third one. Find the integral of 1 by a square plus x square with respect to x and hence evaluate. So it is similar to the last case. Two problems we have done. Here the next question, find the integral of, so write integral of 1 by what they want, a square plus x square with respect to x means what, dx. This is the question. All of you know a square minus x square means I can factorize. A square minus x square was the first problem. I wrote it as a plus x into a minus x. Second problem, x square minus a square, that was also factorizable. I wrote it as x plus a into x minus a. ನೋಡಿ ಮೊದಲೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್. So I cannot factorize. So what I'll do substitution. So always remember table of substitution, put x is equal to, whenever you have plus x square, put x as a tan theta. Put x as what? A tan theta. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಐ ಟಾಟ್ ಯು ರೆಫರ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, minus x square a sin theta, x square minus x square a secant theta. Now it is a square plus x square, put x as a tan theta. Now get the value of dx. So differentiate both the sides with respect to theta. LHS becomes dx by d theta. RHS a is constant, take it out. Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Now you need a dx. What is dx now? Dx is a secant square theta into d theta. Now you got dx. So these are the assumptions. First put x as what? A tan theta. Second take dx. Dx is what? A secant square theta d theta. Now do these substitutions. So now from this you can also get theta. So transfer this. Later we'll see. I'll leave some space so that we'll get theta later. So now I'll go back to the given question. What is the given question? Integration of 1 into dx is dx divided by a square plus x square. This is a question. That is integration. Now what is dx you got? What is dx you got? A secant square theta d theta. In the place of dx put a secant square theta d theta. Denominator let it be a square plus x square. What is x? X is what? A tan theta. In the place of x put what? A tan theta. Now whole square x square. That is integration of a secant square theta d theta divided by a square plus a square tan square theta. Take square inside. Now in these two, denominator I can take a square common. So numerator I have a secant square theta divided by, in denominator I will take a square common, it will become 1 plus tan square theta into what? D theta. Now simplify this. So given problem becomes integration of a secant square theta d theta divided by a square is out. So all of you know 1 plus tan square theta. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. Now further simplify this. Further you can secant square theta cancels. And what is left out? What is left out? 1a and 1a also you can cancel. 1a and 1a I can cancel. So left out terms. So integration of 1 by a and d theta. That's it. All of you know integration of k dx is kx plus c. Integration 1 by a is constant. So answer is 1 by a theta plus c. 1 by a. Integration of d theta is theta plus c. This is the answer. But theta is our assumption. So rearrange and get theta. So here x is equal to a tan theta. From this get theta into a, transfer this side, it will become divided by a. So x by a is tan theta. And you want theta, transfer tan to this side. So tan inverse of x by a is theta. So now you got theta value. What is theta? So that implies tan inverse x by a is theta, or theta is tan inverse x by a. In spite of theta, I will put what? Tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the answer. So now you got the final answer. What is the final answer? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Let me summarize. So they gave a problem integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx. When you observe, it is not factorizable. So in the place of x, assumes tan a tan theta. So that denominator x square becomes a square tan square theta. Numerator dx becomes a secant square theta. After you take x as a tan theta, differentiate both sides and get dx value. Dx becomes a secant square theta d theta. In the place of dx, put a secant square theta d theta. Denominator becomes a square plus a square tan square theta. In these two, you can take a square out. It will become 1 plus tan square theta. All of you know what is 1 plus tan square theta? 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. So denominator becomes, outside we have a square, 1 plus tan square theta becomes secant square theta. Numerator was already secant square theta. Cancel that. We'll get 1 by a d theta. Integration of 1 by a d theta is 1 by a theta plus c. In the place of theta, put the value of theta. Theta is tan inverse x by a plus c. That's it. I hope all of you understood this. And they want you to evaluate. Hence, they want you to evaluate integration of 1 by 25 plus x square. So we'll use this formula and derive. So now what is the answer we got? We got integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now we can use this as a formula. So become thorough with this formula. So now they are asking you to evaluate. What is the question? The question is evaluate integration of 1 by 25 plus x square or x square plus 25, one and the same dx. So can I write this given problem? This is a question. So can I answer this as 1 by, in spite of 25, can I write it as 5 square plus x square? 5 square plus x square dx. Further, now it is in the form of integration of 1 by a square plus x square. What is the formula? 1 by a. A is what? 5. 1 by 5. Tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by, what is a? 5 plus c. This is the answer. So dear students, by now I have done 3 specific integrals. Become thorough with all 3 specific integrals. So let us summarize. So now let me summarize. Today I started with specific integrals. We have covered the first 3. What is integration of dx by a square minus x square? 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. We have done this, we derived this. To derive, what is the logic we used? First we divided and multiplied by 2a, then we wrote 2a. What is 2a? 2a can be written as a plus x, the factors, then plus a minus x. This is the hint of the first proof. And then I have derived integration of dx by x square minus a square. Again, here also we divided and multiplied, and then we wrote 2a. In this 2a we wrote as factors. What are the factors? X plus a and x minus a, and in between we should put minus to remove the x. Then third one we have derived. What is the third one? To derive third one, we use the substitution. Put x as a tan theta. In inverse trigonometric functions also I taught you, whenever you have plus x square, we cannot factorize. In the place of x, put a tan theta. So now these three derivations we have done. All three formula you should remember. Integration of dx by a square plus a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Integration of dx divided by 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of dx divided by a square plus x square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. For time being, I want you people to become thorough with these three formulae, right, and practice, and also derivations. How to derive, we have done it. So all three derivations I have done. First, this one, these three will go in the next class. So this one I have derived. What we have done, we divided and multiplied by 2a, and we factorized and we derived. I have done a basic problem. Then second one also, we divided and multiplied by 2a and we factorized to derive it. But third one, we have done a method of substitution. This is the methods we use to derive these three. So I'll see you in my next session with the three more specific integrals. By that, you learn and write and practice these three with problems. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.